Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I will be sure to link everything that you see on the screen and the description box below. By the edit of this video, I have already broken a nail or two. The entire vacation that I was off of work for a week, I didn't break one. When I get back to work, I ended up breaking a nail or two. So these nails are going to be coming off, and I'm going to be doing a whole new set. I'm not gonna lie, I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger, but they're really, really tiny. I think they're 3 mm. I don't know if I saw that in the description when I bought them, but it is what it is. So if you didn't see my new custom bling box, I will link the video down in the description below. You won't want to miss it. You guys are enjoying it. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to watch it. I got this organizer, and also you guys are loving the organizer as well. A lot of you guys were asking where I got it, where you can get one from. I got mine on Amazon. I ordered a second one, I think very, very similar to this one, if not the same. I'm going to see when it gets in today. If you're curious as to where I got this box, I will link it in the description below. If it's not the same exact one, I will try to find, or I'll try to link one that's very similar. Sometimes that happens, things sell out, prices change, and so just keep that in mind. This box here was about $20. The new one that I got, I think, was $18. Not that much of a difference. I was able to save a little bit, but I was trying to find a box or an organizer that was cheaper than the one that I had, just because I love doing that. I love finding and comparing prices. I've said this in a video before, specifically on Amazon or any site that you find. Don't go for the first thing that you see. There might be multiples of the same thing for different prices, so definitely do your research and continue to look for different prices. Definitely don't settle on the first thing because you might be able to find it for a cheaper price. So scan, do your research, and don't go for the first thing that you see. Because it might have a specific price, but sometimes I'll click on something on Amazon and then I'll scroll down a little bit and they'll actually give you different options of the same exact thing, just different prices. So you can try that out. These flowers here are trending and very, very popular. Everyone is loving these flowers. I have to do a set with them. They're really, really tiny. They do come with those little micro marble thingies, gold and silver. They're just so small, and I thought they were going to come a little bit bigger, like different sizes. They're so, so, so tiny. So I ordered some more, and they should be here today. And that set should have different sized flowers, and I'm hoping the bigger flowers because that's what it showed on Amazon. So I'm hoping that they come a little bit bigger when they arrive. Along with this box here that I'm going to open up right now, I did get sticky tabs because I wanted to include them in with the press-on sets that I am going to be starting. I did get some extra cuticle sticks and some tiny nail files. These cards I'm probably not going to use because I'm not sure what nail art patches are. But I'm going to go ahead and find a different maybe removal card and how to apply press-ons. I'm going to find something completely different because this is not going to work out for me. And so the little sticky or glue tabs, however you'd like to call them, I wanted to kind of just see what it would look like if I added it to, I wanted to see first if they fit in my new holographic baggies that you see there. And also I heard that they were really great for adhering or using when you're doing press-ons, the little sticky tab. So I'm going to try that out, try something different, fresh, something new, and see if it works. But I got all these tiny little files that I'm going to be throwing into this bag because I don't really like that they're kind of just floating around the box. I want them, or I want to keep them sanitary and clean and dust-free, so I'm just going to add them to a different bag here. So I'm gonna try my best to, this bag is a little scratched up. That's a little odd. Okay, I am going to try and make some custom press-on sets. I did buy some baggies and things to help me start, to get started. I don't know how many sets this will allow me to make. I don't know if I want to, I kind of want to get a little card to put the sets on and then put it in the bag. I don't really want to put the nails in the bag. The whole set here, I will make sure to link it in the description below. You do get quite a few baggies. Again, with these cards, I don't know. I'm gonna get something completely different. So again, I think I want to get some sort of cardstock to use or to put the nails on, and then put the cardstock with the nails on it inside of the bag. So I think that's what I want to do. That's just what I have in mind. I'm thinking maybe I can buy some cardstock and then cut it down to size. So we'll see. This is my favorite transfer foil glue. If you are looking for one, look for this one. Do not look for any others. Look for this transfer foil glue. I have been recommending it for so long. If you're having issues with transferring foils, try this foil glue out. You're not going to regret it. Okay, this is not transfer foil glue. It's called glue gel, but it's for foils, and it's used to transfer your foils. So again, if you're looking for a great foil glue, try this one out. I'll link it down below. They do have it in a single and then a double pack. This is the double pack. That one that I just showed you is the one that I currently use, and I love it so much. So go ahead and try it out if you're looking for a great foil glue. You are going to love it. I will make sure to link it down below. I think I'm going to be moving this box around as well. There are many rhinestones in it that I don't think, I might save one little square for some rhinestones, but I don't think that I want as many rhinestones in it. As you all know, you might not know, I do have an organizer, a new organizer coming, and I would like to have the one only be rhinestones. I have more of like metal studs and things, more kind of decorative nail art. I'm not huge on rhinestones. Not that I'm not huge on rhinestones, I just don't have a huge collection of rhinestones. I do have some, so I will be sure to do that in a separate video because I know you like the organizing videos. So I will be sure to do my new rhinestone organization with you in a new video. But again, I think I'm going to be removing all of these rhinestones and putting them in a different container. So be sure to look out for that. Just saw, I do have a lot of nail art, a lot of metal studs. I do have a couple of things in here. I'm going to be moving things around once again because I'm getting more organizing containers. So all the extra ones that I don't use in my, or that you see me empty out in my videos, I will reuse them for different nail art. You could use them for different things like beads, or I wouldn't recommend putting glitter in it because if it fell, it'd probably make a mess everywhere. But see, I have different metal studs in here, different rhinestones, different charms. So, kind of everything is all over the place. For the most part, I have everything organized. I love these containers so much. I found some on Shein that I think that, I'm going to try to get a few more. I do, by the way, have a Shein order coming. So if you are interested in my Shein order, please be sure to stay tuned, be subscribed so that you can see when it comes in what I got. I think it should be here in like a week or two, something like that. Shein takes a little bit, but it's better than AliExpress, I think. AliExpress takes like a month or something, I've heard. Shein will take like a week or two. If you add on express shipping, it might take, I don't know, a week or something. And I think if you don't get the express shipping, it'll take 2 weeks, which is not that much longer. But you can't beat the prices on Shein, and I'd wait a week or two. You know, it's just because the prices you can't beat them. You just can't beat them. So, or maybe you could, and if you can, let me know because I'd love to kind of check out what you've got going on, and if you have any recommendations as to where to get some cool nail art that's not going to take a month, please let me know because I'd definitely be interested in that. In this container here, I have made all of this nail art by myself with some gel polish and molds. Again, if you have not seen any of my kind of DIY charm making with the molds, I'll link it down below just in case you want to watch that. If you have gotten this far in the video, I appreciate you and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.